And I don't show everything on TikTok, but I'm just going to start. I don't care. I paid 20 grand this morning to pay for curtains because our cats, yes, I'm blaming our cats. They've ripped up the curtains in one of our old rental properties and they're like, hey, you guys got to replace these curtains, 20 grand, please. So I fork it out. That's just what you do, isn't it? It's weird too because I grew up extremely broke. And when I say extremely broke, I mean my parents were like, bro, we're going to be homeless. And we're like, what do you mean? What are you talking about? We got food from like the homeless shelters. It was a whole thing. Anyways, now I'm paying $20,000 bills for cat curtains. Great. But listen, this is what I do at the gym. I saw a girl with a really big butt do like one-legged things like this, so I just copied her. I don't know. I think it works. I don't know. Last year I was really stressed. I lost a bunch of weight and my butt was completely gone. It was literally aligned with my back. But this has kind of helped me get it back, you know what I mean? Also, when we were checking out after the workout, we got a little smoothie and I was waiting for a while and I saw a shirt and I needed it because I want to wear that as a pajama shirt. And then I got home, I had to do my clothes because there's always laundry. There's, you know what, no matter what you do, there's always some laundry to do. So I was doing that. I gave up. I left it because my mom's like, food's ready. So went downstairs, had her lasagna, by the way, delicious. And something cute that mama does with old bread because she doesn't want to waste it is she puts it in the oven until it's really crispy, crunchy, like basically hard. Then she gets garlic cloves and rubs a garlic clove on each piece of bread and puts some olive oil on there. It's the best hack to not waste old bread. Let me tell you, it's like a garlic crisp kind of vibe. It's really yummy. And then after that, we were all really tired because the food knocked us out. I'm not going to lie. All that cheese and stuff made us so tired. Then we went for an afternoon walk where I had a super duper. In Australia, they're called super dupers. And we were judging all the houses as we do, you know. Like, I would live in that one. I wouldn't live in that one. There was a new one. So we were looking at it. New one spawned while we were on holiday. Anyway, we walked across the bridge. And this is actually near our old house. Oh, yeah. I just lost his shoe. And then I helped him. And then he ran away. We do this walk every afternoon, by the way. Every single afternoon, Athos and I go for an afternoon walk. And it's really fun. And I look forward to it every single day. And you can actually see our old house from here. And this is the house that people rocked up at. And they're like, I could see your house from the bridge. There it is. Yeah, you definitely could. You probably saw me in my bathroom naked as well. I don't even doubt that at all. Anyway, walked home. It was beautiful. Anyways, listen, I have not been posting every single day of my life because I just know off by heart what comments are going to come through. And I shouldn't do this, but I think of all the negative comments that might come through and that usually hinders me from posting a video. And I'm just going to stop. I'm just going to post. I don't care. It's my phone. Let me post what I want. So that's what I'm going to do. I had mama's soup. She even cut up the lamp for me, which was really cute. But yeah, listen, I'm just going to be a bit rogue and just post every detail of my life because who cares? It's not that deep and you guys love it. So